First day, we went to this beautiful national park called the Great Swamp. It was so stunning and just very, very, very surreal to be in this incredibly big kind of open green space that was completely dedicated to wildlife and birds. And we saw the most amazing creatures. We saw so many frogs. We even saw some chipmunks. And yeah, it was just a really stunning day out, especially after having been on a plane for a really long time. You can also tell probably that we just got our GoPro. We are having so much fun messing around on it. There's so many clips of us doing this. We are on a trail, the Great Swamp Refuge Park. We're in the Great Swamp Refuge Park and we've seen chipmunks, woodpeckers. That's about it so far. It's very beautiful though. Oh wow, look at that view. There are so many nature sort of photographers, wildlife photographers that they've got.
I wonder if it's a good view. The back of our heads.
The next day, we went out for dinner in New York. We took the train from New Jersey into the city and we went to the Metropolitan Club where they have this absolutely incredible rooftop. We had some amazing cocktails and had dinner there as well, including this absolutely gorgeous chocolate souffle, which I think was my favorite thing on the menu. On Sunday after the wedding, we went to Pennsylvania, which was very exciting, especially if you are also an American Office fan like me. The landscape was again just so beautiful, so open, so gorgeous, so many fields, and it was amazing to learn more about the Amish culture and see how they farm, and they sold lots of beautiful quilts and little craft items. And then we went for a gorgeous walk in this beautiful forest in, I think it was Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Time to go to New York. Oh, it was so exciting. I am so sleepy in this clip, but so excited to get going. I woke up super early as we had to check out quite early and make it to our next Airbnb reservation. I went on my phone for a bit, checked my emails, and then got to work packing. There was quite a lot to pack as we had literally exploded all over the hotel room, and there'd been so much kind of toing and froing, if that's an expression, from the hotel to the wedding to, our day out and then to Pennsylvania. But luckily, we got it all packed in time, and it was just such a great trip. Well, my suitcase is packed. I've still got everything else to take up. I'm gonna go have a shower, put my contact lenses. I need to take my vitamins.